Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and this video I'm going to show you how to find Wi-Fi password on your Android phone. So it's super easy, and we will make sure you get it right. So you can use the setting app. You can find the Wi-Fi password on your Android phone using the setting app. Open the setting app, search for the network and tap on it. You can simply tap on the Wi-Fi, but if you don't show Wi-Fi at the very beginning, you can open the settings app, tap on network and internet, and then tap on the Wi-Fi. And here you can see I'm going to tap on Wi-Fi, and then tap on share and enter your device PIN. Find the network you want to view the password for and tap on it, and then tap on share and enter your device pins or use biometric authentications to view the password. So this is how you can easily check your Wi-Fi password. Hope you guys like my video. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to my channel for more valuable content in the future.